Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in the essentials. Pick a cardioid microphone or a reliable USB condenser and place it about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth to reduce plosives and room sound. Once done, secure a quiet room, switch off fans and phones, close windows. Make sure your DAW is set to 44. 148K HZ and 24-bit, create a new project and save. Now run a quick test recording to confirm input and check for clipping before moving on. Now you dial in gain and the room. Set preamp gain so peaks land near -6 dB, which preserves headroom and prevents clipping. If you see red, back off immediately. Use a pop filter and shock mount to tame plosives and handling noise, and add acoustic treatment like panels or blankets to reduce reflections. Monitor through closed-back headphones and choose a low-latency buffer between 64 and 256 samples, so you hear yourself naturally while recording without dropout. Finish by recording focused short takes and maintain the same mic distance and performance energy to ensure consistent tone. Once you have good takes, review and do basic cleanup. Trim, normalize, or adjust gain staging, apply gentle EQ to remove muddiness and a light compressor for level control. If problems arise, troubleshoot methodically. Inspect cables and drivers, watch for clip LEDs, check your noise floor, and retest with a different mic or interface. That approach gets you clean, usable voice recordings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.